Willem Claesz. Heda was born December 14, 1593 or 1594, died circa 1680 to 1682. He was a Dutch Golden Age artist from the city of Haarlem devoted exclusively to the painting of still life. He is known for his innovation of the late breakfast genre of still life painting. Willem was a contemporary and comrade of Dirck Hals, akin to him in pictorial touch and technical execution, but Heda was more careful and finished than Hals, showing considerable skill and taste in the arrangement and coloring of his chased cups, beakers and tankards of both precious and inferior metals.